Hello SakaFet. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be making 3 of my favorite Christmas drinks. If you want to see how I make these recipes, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get mixing. The first drink I'm going to make is sorrel. The exact amount will be in the description box below. I have some dried sorrel, some sugar, cinnamon stick, cloves, and some fresh ginger. First we're going to put our sorrel in a pot, and then our cinnamon, cloves, and ginger. So I'm just going to slice my ginger into slices because you want to get all the flavor out. Now the sugar, we don't need that till the very end. For this, I'm going to add my water to it. So I just add my water here. Okay, I'm just going to put it on the stove now and bring it to a boil. This is so easy. Just turn that on and I'm going to cover it and just bring it to a boil, and we're going to let it boil for about 40 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is just turn it down a bit and just let it continue to boil for about another 40 minutes. This is my sorrel. Now I cooked it for 45 minutes and it's very hot, so I'm going to let it sit. This has to cool before you strain it, and this usually the sorrel will settle at the bottom. So all you do is just pour it into the strainer, into your container, and then you're going to add your sugar to taste. You can add, depends how much sorrel you have. If you want it nice and rich, you don't have to add any more water, but some people maybe want it not so strong, so you can add a little bit more water to it. Now this is my second drink. It's ginger drink. So all I'm doing, I'm going to cut these fresh ginger pieces. They have already been washed and cleaned. And this one, all I need is ginger, sugar, and lime juice with my water, and that's it. So this is going to blend. And this one, I like it really strong. So you can see I'm putting a lot of ginger in there. This is my ginger, all chopped up, and when buying ginger, if you can get the small ginger, the one probably from the Caribbean, South America, it is better than the big pieces of ginger that we get from China. This one is more concentrated, so the flavor is more intense. And for making ginger drink, this is actually the one you want to get. So we're just going to put it in our blender and add our water to it. And we're just going to cover it up. So our next step, we're going to strain it. My ginger beer is getting ready, so you see that it's all nice and smooth, and I'm just going to strain it. So I'm using a very fine strainer And you can see, look at that ginger. Oh, all the starch from the ginger. So what I'm going to do is use my fork and I'm just going to press it. Okay, and then I'm just going to dump it in this bowl because I'm going to use it again, add more water to it. I'm just going to add some more water to that now. And you can see there's so much ginger flavor still in there. Look at that. All that nice strong ginger. So you see there, and I'm just going to pour it in there again. Pressing it out. Get it all out. And now you can see, look how nice and rich that looks. Really nice color, and it just smells. Oh, the aroma is so good. I'm going to cut my lime. I'm just going to get the juice from my lime. Now I'm putting one lime. And that just gives it a really nice refreshing taste. That lime juice out of there, and I'm going to put that in. Just add it to my ginger. And I can add more water to it. Put about 8 cups, I would say. Now this you can make it, it depends how you like it. If you like it really strong, you'll add less water. So I think for me that's enough. So I think that's enough, and I'm going to add, I have 1.5 cups of sugar here. So I'm just going to put that in. I am going to add a little bit more sugar because I had before 1 cup, but the 1 cup, it wasn't sweet enough. So I'm adding another cup. So we have like 2.5 cups, I think, all together. Strain it out again. And this way, this is going to catch any little bits that stayed in there. I'll cut through the strainer. Now you can see I got a few little pieces that kind of fell through. So this is why I do the second strain. So I get rid of every little bit. And that's it. And now I'm going to make the third drink. It's the peanut punch. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make the peanut punch. Condensed milk. We have some 2% milk, some dark rum, peanut butter, and if you can find the natural peanut butter, it's much better, freshly ground nutmeg, and some almond essence. Now we are going to make the peanut punch. So we're gonna start first by adding our milk. So I'm putting 2 cups because I'm making a lot of this. This is so good, you wanna make enough. Then I'm adding condensed milk. So just put that in there. This is one of my family's favorite Christmas drink. And I still love it. From the time I was a kid, we used to have that Christmas time. Then we're gonna add our essence, nutmeg, and rum. Nice dark rum. Close it up.
Drink a one man a punch a cream a drink a one. It's Christmas morning.
It's all liquid. I just want to try it because see if I need to add anything else. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. So we're gonna pour it out. Peanut punch. Oh. And this is my special guest. That's my daughter Joseph. Try my punch.
Okay.
First. Cheers.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas season. And let's see, what do you think? That's good.
That's delicious.
Oh. Mmm. Yeah, I love this. This is so good. Mmm. I can't put it down. Okay, that's mine. We're gonna try our ginger. Ginger beer. Okay, you got one.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's see, what do you think? Oh, that's good. Eh?
Ooh.
A lot of heat.
Very spicy.
Very good. Spicy is good. That's how you want it, right? You want nice,
That's
and
nice.
hot.
Refreshing.
Feel it in the throat going down. That's good. That's nice, huh? Now this one, that's my sorrel. Now with sorrel, I know some people add pineapple juice to it, but I like the taste of the sorrel. But I did put some pineapples in there. Cheers. Oh wow, that's good. You
I
like?
I like.
Okay, good. That's it, guy. She's picky, and she says it's good. It's good.
It is good. Should try these.
So, my sorrel, ginger drink, and peanut punch. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again next time. Bye.
Bye.